What's the difference between probability and non-probability sampling? Unang-una, more resources sa probability kasi you have time, you have cost and efforts. Less resources pag non-probability. Random, no subjective judgment. Ibig sabihin, objective siya. Non-random kapag non-probability, meaning it's subjective. It has judgments, no? Probability, generalize the population. Non-probability, non-generalization. Probability to understand the population kasi nga you get a sample from that population, no? For non-probability, you understand and you develop a concept. Elements which are finite in number, no? Kapag probability, kapag non-probability naman, infinite, no? Too general. Chances of error and biases. Sampling errors and systematic biases are less likely, no? They are less likely to occur. Prone to encounter with systematic errors and sampling biases. Yan ang non-probability sampling. Examples natin dito, as we've discussed, no? Simple random, systematic, stratified cluster. For non-probability naman, quota sampling, convenience, purposive, snowball. Yan. Those are just some examples.